Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to trade with the Atomic Analyst Indicator for MT4 and MT5. All right. Now, the first step is to download the indicator, right? Just go to the Forex Geek website. You're going to see the link in the description. Follow the link, both the MT4 version and the MT5 versions, right? You're going to see the link to the web pages for MT4 and for MT5. So click on this MT4 link now, and you're going to download it, and you go to your terminal. Of course, you have to go to the data folder, paste the indicator in the indicators folder there, and you get back to your navigator. Once you're back to your navigator, you just have to refresh the navigator. All right, once you have done that, you look for the ATR analyst indicator for MT4. This is the MT4 terminal. Okay, just follow similar step for the MT5. All right, but in case you refresh and the indicator does not load, you just have to restart the terminal. Just exit it and start it again. All right, and try refreshing again if you still didn't see it after restarting the terminal. Now ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then as for the inputs, you can see a lot of modifiable settings, a lot of customizable settings, right? So depending on how you want the indicator to function, you can modify the settings according to your taste. Okay, now this is how the indicator looks like. As you can see, it's quite a detailed indicator, right? It looks a bit complex, but you can see that it's quite straightforward. Okay, it provides valuable information on the chart, several information. It helps you to take your market analysis to the next level. Okay, so this advanced tool is designed to scan market structure, detect trend shifts, highlight high probability trade setups with notable accuracy, right? By combining multiple analytical techniques into one visual display, the indicator helps you to make smarter decisions. You can see that it has a display here, all right, and then you can see balance, your total profit, daily profit, weekly profit, today's and then you can see here it also predicts take profit levels, stop loss level. So in a bearish trend, because you can see now it is predicting this to be a bearish trend, it's predicting this to be a bullish trend, it's predicting this to be a bearish trend, right? And now this is the entry. It literally gives you precise entry, right? And it provides stop loss levels and 5 different take profit levels. So this was the stop loss for this buy trade. You can see the arrow here, the upward arrow, and then in this case you can see the downward arrow here for the sell trade. You can see there was a stop loss here, and there were 5 different take profit targets, and then here you can see there are also 5 different take profit targets. So the indicator gives you precise signals, right? It's quite a valuable indicator. You might want to consider adding to your trading toolkit. Okay, so try out the MT4 version on demo, try out the MT5 version on demo, whichever one. If you're using the MT4 or you're using the MT5, just try them out on demo, and then if you get value from the indicator, you can proceed to using it in your live account. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, kindly like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this. See you in the next one. Cheers and God bless.